Welcome back to my channel, guys. I am doing a celebrity recreation today. I haven't done a celebrity look in so long, so I'm super excited to do this. Yes, I might look a little bit different. It's because I got bangs. But I really love them. It like completely switch up my look. I think it's so fun. I was inspired by this picture I saw of Gigi Hadid. I love the makeup. I thought this look was perfect for the summer season, and it's a very, very easy look to do. Before we get into this look, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on post notifications so you don't miss a single upload. So just hit that little bell, and yeah, let's get into this look. I am so excited to sit down and glam and to go from 0 to 100. I need like a little glam in my life right now. I'm starting off with one of my current favorite primers. This one is from Catrice. It's the Instant Luminous Finish Nude Glow Primer. So it's nude, but it also kind of has this luminous finish to it. So you could see it kind of has like this dewy glow to it, but it's great for pores and it just sits so well under makeup. Whenever I use this, I just find that the foundation goes on so much better. I have so many new products that I just recently got. So I'm gonna be trying them for the first time to kind of give you guys a first impressions. In one of my recent videos, I did top 5 drugstore foundations. I'll link it for you guys right here so you can check it out. In that video, a lot of you guys mentioned the Wet n Wild foundation, which I had never tried. So I went and got it. So I'm gonna try it today. I'm gonna see what I think. First of all, love this applicator. Why don't more foundations have this? This color is pretty good. I wonder if I could just get away with this one. In that top 5 drugstore foundation video, so many people mentioned the Wet n Wild foundation and that I have to try it and that it's really good. It's definitely very sheer. Like, you're not getting a ton of coverage. You're seeing a lot of my beauty marks, which is great for an everyday foundation. For a night out like tonight, I really like my skin looking pretty flawless, so I do like a bit more coverage. Like, I like a full coverage foundation when I'm going out on a night out, so I would probably not use this on a night out. I don't love how it's sitting on my pores. Like, it looks pretty bumpy. I don't think it would be very long wear. Like, I feel like this would probably fade within a few hours. So sorry, Wet n Wild. I'm sorry I don't love this foundation. That's okay. I have the new Maybelline Superstay Stick Foundation, which I was going to use as a contour and highlight, but maybe we can just use this as extra coverage. Let's see. So I love the Maybelline Superstay Foundation. It's actually one of my favorite foundations because it's really full coverage and it just lasts forever when you put it on. I'm glad they came out with a stick formula. That's kind of cool. It's great for like convenience. I can already tell I like this better. Like, you guys could see the sides like a little bit smoother. It's more coverage. And yeah, it's nice that it's in a stick formula, which is also always good to have that option in case you need, I don't know, say you just need like foundation on the go. Sticks are great for that. I'm gonna give the Wet n Wild concealer a go. I've never used this. This is the Photo Focus Concealer. I love concealers when they have kind of like a golden undertone to them. I love the tone of this. Let's see what kind of coverage it gives us. I'm actually kind of scared to be testing out so much new product when I'm going out and I need my makeup to last. But hey, I am guinea pig for you guys. I love kind of just like patting concealer in with my finger like this because just find it blends the concealer really, really well. I'm definitely liking the concealer way more than the foundation. I actually feel like I'm getting more coverage with the concealer than I was with the foundation, which is kind of crazy. But the tone is great and it's blending beautifully. We'll see how well it kind of just sits on the skin by the time we're done all the makeup. For contour, I'm going to be using a darker color from the Superstay Maybelline Foundation Stick. The color that I'm using is 334. And just using that to contour in all the key areas. I'm gonna move on to brows, do that before I do the eyes. And I'm using a brand new brow pencil. I actually used this morning and I love, love, love it. It is from NARS and it is their Brow Perfector. It has the spoolie on one end. The color that I'm using is Moanda, I think it is. It's auburn brown. I love this brow pencil. You guys are gonna see why. This is my little trick when I'm doing brows. I like to use the puff so I could just rest my hand on my face. So I really wanted to do a celebrity look because I feel like it's been forever since I've done a celebrity recreation. I used to do them all the time. You guys know that was kind of my thing on my channel. If you guys want me to do more celebrity recreations, because I really love doing them, because I feel like I'm pretty good at like looking at a makeup picture and being able to copy the makeup pretty well. What I would love is if you guys can tell me which celebrity you want me to recreate. Let me know which celebrity, which look will bring the celebrity recreations back. Check out this brow. Look how natural this looks. So I love this color. It's the perfect color. The texture is just waxy enough so the brows actually stay pretty in place. I just love this brow pencil. This is definitely one of my favorite new products. I feel like NARS has been killing it lately. I don't know if you guys saw, but they came out with a new palette. It's called the Atomic Blonde palette. I should use that today. I'm so silly. I'm like, oh wait, have you guys seen it? I have it. I should use it. So I have my picture for reference right here. This is the look that we're doing. It's actually really simple because she doesn't have a ton going on. Like her face is beautifully highlighted and contoured. And then it's just like a little bit of shadow to contour the eye and then to define at the lash line. But I really, oops, yikes. I really want to show you guys this Atomic Blonde palette from NARS. It has like the eyeshadow colors and a bronzer and a highlighter. I can do so many beautiful looks with that. They also came out with this palette. This one is called the Loaded palette. This has so many beautiful colors. I'm gonna actually start with the Loaded palette. I'm trying out this eye primer from Marc Jacobs. This is the Undercover Perfecting Coconut Eye Primer. Let's see if I like this. Ooh, I do like it. You could just tell right away if an eye primer is good. You could tell from the texture. And this one is really nice. So make sure you blend all of that out really, really well so none of your eyeshadow like sticks and you don't have any like patchy spots. I'm gonna start by sweeping this nude color just all over my lid as a base. This is gonna help so when we apply the other eyeshadows, they're gonna look a lot more blended if you do this step. And then I'm taking this color, this soft mid-tone brown, perfect crease color. There's so many different options in this palette. So depending on your skin tone, you have a few different options of which color would be right for your crease. But for me, this color is pretty perfect. And the way that Gigi has it is that she really has her crease carved out. She has her crease carved out. That's what I was trying to say. And it's pretty well defined. Let me look at that picture one more time. So yeah, it's really well defined, like all the way in. So bring that color all the way across. I know you guys want me to come in closer, but I feel like I don't want to be too close. Okay. So you're gonna bring that color all the way across, starting from the outer corner. Don't be afraid to kind of bring that eyeshadow out and then up into the inner part of the brow and towards the inner corner. So it's really carving out that crease. You're keeping the brow bone clean and the lid clean. So the brush that I'm using also has like this little point to it. This is the Ashley Tisdale Illuminate brush. I guess this is from BH Cosmetics. I don't know why my camera keeps going in and out of focus, guys. I'm really sorry. Using a smaller brush, taking that same color, and she has the shadow going along her lower lash line. And then she has a white liner, which I'm not usually a huge fan of a white liner, guys, but I'm gonna try to copy the look exactly. since this is a recreation and it's a good way to kind of get you out of your comfort zone and to do something different. Not like a white liner is like anything crazy, but this is the Sigma E32. I really love this. So this nude shadow in the palette is shimmery. So this is perfect for the brow bone. I'm just going to use that to highlight the brow bone. If you don't want to do shimmery, you could also keep it matte, but Gigi does have a little bit of shimmer going on just in the brow bone area and in the inner corner. So I'm just gonna flip my brush and apply that there. Just like that. This is so pretty. I love this. This is also another great brush. This is the ColourPop F12 kind of slightly contour blending brush. The last thing I'm gonna do for the eyeshadows, I'm gonna take I think actually I'm gonna take this dark brown, which kind of almost looks black, a flat angled brush, and I'm pressing this right at the base of my lashes. I am gonna put lashes on, so this is gonna help make the lashes look so much thicker. Sometimes I love doing just pressing eyeshadow like this instead of doing a liner because it's so much easier. So if you're like in a hurry or something and you don't want to sit there and try to do a cat eyeliner and risk having to mess it up, definitely go for this eyeshadow step instead. It is a lifesaver. That's it for eyeshadow. Let's do lashes. The lashes that I'm using are the 105 from Ardell. These are a very similar style to what Gigi is wearing. So they're kind of like thin, but they're really full. You guys, these lashes are so pretty. They have such a beautiful shape to them. And now I'm gonna use a product that is definitely one of my favorite new discoveries of 2018. I absolutely love this mascara from IT Cosmetics. It is their like tiny tight line mascara for the lower lashes. You can literally get in there and get every single tiny little lash because this wand is so tiny. It just makes your lashes so long and so black and so thick. I absolutely love it. Okay, so I'm actually gonna use a nude liner instead of white. This is a good in between. So it's gonna open up the eye a little bit without it looking really unnatural, because that's what I don't like about the white liner. I should have done this before I did mascara. So if you haven't done your mascara yet, do this step first and then do your mascara. I'm gonna do the lips and then finish off the look with the cheeks. So I just went and swatched a ton of different lipsticks to find the exact color that Gigi's wearing. The Maybelline color that was part of her Maybelline collection. So if you guys have it, it is Gigi 22. That is the color. The main thing you're looking for is kind of more of an orangey red than a blue red. So I found a couple of options that are like pretty much exactly the same color. The first one is from Buxom. It is the Wildfire Matte Bold Gel Lipstick, and another great option is from Laura Mercier, and it is called the Foreplay Lip Color. And then if you want a drugstore option, if you don't have the Maybelline one, this color from NYX is an exact dupe. It is number 8 Pure Red. I guess I'm gonna do the actual one that Gigi uses. I might as well because I have it. Why not? I'm gonna use a bit of concealer just to help clean up around. And now time to bring this whole look together by doing the cheeks. You guys are gonna see how much difference this is gonna make. I'm starting off with a little bit of bronzer. These are brand new from BH Cosmetics. I actually really love these. This one is Bronze Babe, so I'm gonna use this color. I just love the tone of them and they're pretty matte. So I don't know, it's hard to find a good bronzer. So when I tested these out, I totally love them right away. This brush is a great brush. This is from Bobbi Brown. I love this for doing bronzer contour. So you have the bigger end, so you can go in and do like a really nice sweep of bronzer all over. And then if you take the smaller end, and then you could just kind of focus that if you want just like a more specific application for contour. Just looks really pretty. You guys, this makeup is so pretty. Oh my god, I'm so happy it came together. Whenever I do recreations, I definitely get like a little bit worried. I'm like, is this gonna look good? Am I gonna be able to copy it exactly? But I have to say, this looks pretty much just like Gigi's makeup. I want a bit of a peach blush, so I'm using the L'Oreal Paradise Blush in 193 Charming. This is gonna be just so pretty. Oh my god. This is gorgeous, you guys. This is such a good blush color. Wow. Okay, bit dramatic for blush, I know, but this is a really, really pretty blush color. Let's finish off the look with a bit of highlighter. I'm gonna use the highlighter from the NARS Atomic Blonde palette. I really wanna do a look with this palette because it's just too beautiful not to. That is my Gigi inspired look. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you are new to my channel, and let me know what you guys think of the bangs. Be sure to add me on Instagram, because what I actually did is I did a poll on my Instagram asking which look you guys wanted me to recreate, and I put 2 different pictures up and it was either between the Gigi or another look. So if you guys want to be able to take part in the polls, add me at Eman. Check out all the products that I use for this look in the description box below, and please do not forget to let me know what other celebrity look you guys want me to recreate. I really love how this turned out. It's like a great look for summer. It's like glam, but not too over the top glam. It's still just like really pretty and flattering, the type of makeup I love to do. If you haven't seen my last video, which was a Q&A video where I answered a bunch of questions about things that I've never talked about before, I'm gonna link it for you guys, so make sure you check that out. And I will see you guys, I guess, in another video very soon. Bye.